Good morning, students. How are you all? Hmm? Fine? Okay. You all studying properly? Huh? Yes or no? Hmm. Okay. If not doing properly, then start it. Huh? All video that look properly and which work teachers given that work you all have to do properly. Okay. So now in last lecture what we done, what we done in the last lecture. So in last lecture we look different bricks pattern in your textbook. That picture have in that picture different bricks pattern given. Then we looking after, we found that which pattern is in a circle have. Okay. Then after in next question what have, in which pattern so mirror hearts. Okay, that we found. Then we drawn a dotted line. Okay. Then after next what have, how to draw a brick. We draw a how to draw a brick. So we looked at bricks drawn. Then how many faces in bricks have. So how many faces have in bricks? Huh? Yes. In bricks 6 faces have, but we can draw only 3 faces. Okay. Then after one question have, if is any face square have, is any face a square? So answer is no, not any face is a square. All face are in a rectangular shape. Okay. Then after in next question, which different shapes given, different faces given. Then we have to found that which are the face of brick have. Then we put a tick mark. Okay, so we done tick mark that picture that are bricks pattern, brick face have. Okay, then after next question, which of this drawing of a brick have, different bricks drawing given. Then we have to put a tick mark that picture of brick have. Okay. Then after at last what have, one at last question which have, can you make a drawing of the brick with which show of 4 faces of it. ओके, सो ब्रिक्स के जो 4 फेसिस वाली हम ड्राइंग बना सकते हैं, ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, बट वी कैन ड्रॉ 4 फेस ऑफ द ब्रिक. वी कैन ड्रॉ ओनली 3 फेसिस ऑफ ब्रिक. ओके. Okay, now next one what have, a wall that will not fall. Wall, how to make a wall, हाँ, wall कैसे बनाते हैं. Okay, so here two girl have, Munia and Zainab. One day Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. One day जो Munia and Zainab वो दोनों क्या करते हैं, प्लेइंग विथ ब्रिक्स, वो ब्रिक्स से खेलते हैं, एंड मेकिंग देयर वॉल्स, और वो दोनों अपनी अपनी वॉल्स बनाते हैं. ओके. ईच मेक्स अ डिफरेंट वॉल, तो दोनों डिफरेंट टाइप्स की वॉल बनाते हैं. ओके. सो हियर नाउ यू कैन लुक जैनब विच टाइप वॉल मेक एंड मुनिया विच टाइप वॉल मेक. ओके. सो जैनब make this type of wall, this brick wall, and Munia make this type of arrange brick and make a wall. Okay, both are different है. So Munia and Zainab दोनों खेलते ब्रिक से खेलते और वो दोनों अपनी अपनी वॉल्स बनाते हैं. बोथ आर मेक डिफरेंट walls. Okay. Now look, after Zainab what say? So Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. क्या कहती है Zainab? Her wall will not fall easily. ये wall Zainab की है, ये Zainab ने बनाई है, तो वो कहती है her wall will not fall easily. मेरी जो wall है वो easily नहीं गिर सकती. Not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks one on top of the other. जो masons है, जो बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं, हाउसेस बनाते हैं, वो कैसे, वो ऐसे वन टॉप, एक के ऊपर एक ऐसे ब्रिक्स वो नहीं रखते. वो क्या कहती है? Masons too do not put bricks one on top of the other. So जैसे मुनिया ने ब्रिक से वॉल बनाई है, तो उसने क्या किया है? एक ब्रिक के ऊपर दूसरी ब्रिक रखी है. तो वो जैनब कहती है कि जो मैसन्स जो बिल्डिंग बनाते हैं वो ऐसे एक के ऊपर एक ब्रिक्स नहीं रखते. द मैसन्स विल नॉट पुट ब्रिक्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ द अदर. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? So now you can see that Zainab make this type wall and Munia. तो Zainab ने कैसे wall बनाई है? 2 bricks है, उसके ऊपर मिडल में 1 brick. This 2 brick, then upper side 1 brick. So आप सबने भी कई जगह पे या कोई बिल्डिंग बनती होगी या तो हाउसेस, तो आप सबने भी कहीं पे भी तो ऐसे देखा होगा कि मैसन्स कैसे वॉल बनाते, कैसे वो ब्रिक्स रखते हैं. सो दिस टाइप जैसे जैनब ने बनाई वैसे वो ब्रिक्स रखते हैं. मैसन्स पुट ब्रिक दिस टाइप 2 bricks देन अपर साइड 1 brick. ओके. तो जैनब कहती है मैसन्स है वो ऐसे एक के ऊपर एक ब्रिक्स नहीं रखते, ऐसे वॉल नहीं बनाते. एंड says her wall will not fall easily. तो मेरी वॉल है वो easily fall नहीं हो सकती, मेरी वॉल easily नहीं गिर सकती. ओके. So after this question have what do you think? Which wall will be stronger? Now you can say which one is stronger, Zainab's wall or Munia's wall? Think it. Which is stronger? Huh? Yes, Zainab's wall will be stronger. जैनब की वॉल है वो स्ट्रॉन्गर है, वो इजीली फॉल नहीं हो सकती. मुनिया की वॉल है वो एक के ऊपर उसने एक ब्रिक रखी है. सो दिस टाइप वॉल फॉल इजीली एंड दिस टाइप वॉल नॉट फॉल इजीली. सो विच आंसर कम? The wall made by Zainab will be stronger. दोनों में से किसकी wall stronger है? तो wall made by Zainab will be stronger. वो strong है. Okay. Now after look here, next what have different wall patterns. Okay, so here given different wall patterns. What have question? Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? So here 3 different photos have different kinds of brick walls have. So now you can see this different have, then this in this photo different bricks pattern have, then in this photo different bricks pattern have. So in these 3 picture all the bricks patterns are different. Okay, then after here next what have? Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. So here some drawing given and upper side 3 bricks photos have, and this is the drawing of bricks have. Okay, so we have to match which is the correct drawing have, which bricks pattern drawing correct drawing have, that we have to match it. Okay, so look this first one. This type of brick drawing where have here downside. Look it properly. Huh? Where have? Yes, this one have. Okay, so we match this with here. Okay. Now second one, look. This type drawing. This one or this one? Huh? Which have? Yes. It is the third one here. Okay. Then now last one is this one match with this. Okay, so you all look it carefully that bricks pattern and their drawing, and this type you all have to match in your maths textbook. Okay. Now after next one, look this page. Next page, what have in this page one picture have. Okay. So what have in this picture? Looking through a brick jali. Here in this picture different jali patterns have. Okay. The masons who built Jagriti school had also made different jali patterns on the walls. तो ये masons ने different जाली पैटर्न्स बनाई है. कहाँ पे बनाई है? On the wall in Jagriti school. Okay. So this is the picture of Jagriti school have that different jali patterns have on the wall. Okay. Then after downside, one question have how many different jali patterns can you see in these two photos? So here two photos have, this one and this one. So how many different jali patterns have? So look it carefully and say how many different jali patterns have in these two photos. So look this first picture. Here one jali pattern have, then this one. This both are same have. Okay. So this one type of jali pattern have, then here and here. These both same have. So this different jali pattern have. So this one and two. So in first picture two jali patterns have. Okay. Now downside look this picture. In this picture how many jali patterns have? So look here, this is the different pattern have jali pattern, then this one is the different jali pattern have, and this one is the different jali pattern have. Okay, so total how many different jali patterns you can see? 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so which answer come? 5 different jali patterns we can see in these two photos. Okay, so you all have to write this type answer, 5 jali patterns. So the answer is 5 different jali patterns we can see in these two photographs. Okay. Then after here next page, look this. This is a drawing of another beautiful jali. So here another beautiful jali have. Okay. Now color some bricks red and make your own jali patterns in the wall drawn below. So below here downside some bricks drawn have. Then what you all have to do? Now color some bricks red. Some bricks आपको रेड कलर करना है. Some bricks, not all bricks. Only some bricks color red and make your own जाली पैटर्न्स. और आपको जैसी जाली पैटर्न बनानी है वैसे आपको जाली पैटर्न्स बनानी है. ओके, सो विच कलर यूज? ओनली रेड कलर. सो कलर रेड and make your own jali patterns in the wall, in this wall. Okay. Then after next question, what have? Look this next. Can you see the window in this photo of the school? Can you see the window? So we looked at in last picture that different jali patterns have. In that picture, this type of window have. You can see this in your textbook. Okay. So in this building, this wall, in the wall, this type of jali pattern have that this type of window have. Okay, so can you see the window in this photo of the school? So answer is yes. We can see the photo of we can see the window in the photo of the school. Okay. Then after next, now draw some Zarokha patterns on the wall here. You can shade it black. So here some bricks pattern given. नाउ ड्रॉ सम ज़रोखा पैटर्न्स. और आपको क्या करना है? ज़रोखा पैटर्न बनानी है. यहाँ पे एक जो दिया है विंडो पैटर्न, वैसी कुछ डिफरेंट पैटर्न आपको यहाँ पे बनानी है. ओके, सो ड्रॉ सम ज़रोखा पैटर्न ऑन द वॉल हियर. ओके, सो दिस वन ज़रोखा पैटर्न and here jali pattern color with red. Okay, so this two you all have to make. This is your homework. Okay, so you all have to do this both. Okay.